Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Kirby and today we'll be doing a clutch and flywheel on this VW Crafter that you guys might have seen on the channel numerous times. So this customer first came to me with a breakdown. His van wouldn't start. Went out to him, he was broken down in a pub. I can think of worse places to be broken down. And his starter motor was gone. So I've put a starter motor on it, not a problem. About a month later, calls me up, Aaron, same thing's happening. So I've gone round, sure enough, starter motor's not working. So done my tests and the new starter motor is faulty. I was getting power to the starter motor, not a problem. Put another one under warranty, just saying might have been a crap part. Another maybe 2 months went by. Aaron, van's doing the exact same thing. So I went back out, sure enough, starter motor's knackered. Done some tests and it came back with and he did say at the time it was difficult to start when hot. So put the computer on, it had camshaft to crankshaft correlation faults, which would mean your timing is out. And on these, it's very common where when it is hot, they are hard to start if your timing's out. Start up in the morning, not a problem. So done a timing belt. Again, I will put a link up here to the timing belt video I done on this. And I thought that would be it. And then he's called me up another couple of months later. Starter motor's gone again. So we had a look and there's oil dripping down from the cam cover gasket onto the starter motor and around that area. And also when I took the starter motor off, there was all this just really thick gunk and whatever, so you know that's only going to come from the flywheel area. I've also got a main seal for this as well, just in case that's leaking and causing all sorts of issues. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I've got to this stage, but these injectors never, or have looked like they've never been out. So I'm hoping they're not troublesome. Right, we're about to find out if these are going to come out easy or not. Just leaving against the bolt in here. Right, so these ain't budging, and I don't want to go too much. I have got a injector puller set here, but I don't want to risk damaging anything or an injector going down today, because he's going out in it tomorrow. He's taking his daughter somewhere far, so we're going to leave this and then come back to it another day, maybe when if something does go wrong, we've got a bit of time to fix it. So we'll crack on with the clutch and flywheel now. And look who's joined me for the day.
Oh, look at
the
this
pollen filter king.
Look at this.
This pollen filter.
With his there.
Mate, do you reckon you can get this pollen filter changed out? What do you reckon? Bit of a tricky one.
I think we can refurbish this one.
Yeah,
mate.
yeah.
Airline
just make sure it goes in the right way this time, yeah? Look at him, look at the tan on the boy. Just got back off a plane this morning and he's back to work already. That's the dedication for you.
Can't resist working with you, mate.
That's it. Right, we've poked the van just inside the unit because it is starting to spit rain. So we've got it up on axle stands, and here she is. You can see all this oil leak now, all under this van. So we will have to get that cam cover done. I'm sure this gap is meant to have a rubber casing there, a little bung which is missing, so it could be getting a lot of road dirt in there. But yeah, we've got all of these bolts just going around the side to take off. Got the prop shaft to take off, gear linkage, exhaust bracket down there. Let's get to it. Right, we've just got to start with taking this brace off which supports the gearbox. And here I'm just marking the prop shaft so it goes back on the same way.
Milwaukee ratchet boy.
Oh yes.
And here we've just got a few brackets to hold the prop up. And then just disconnecting the battery, getting to the starter motor with a few long extensions.
Right, that's coming down.
I'll let him know. Yeah.
Just be careful with your head.
Might need something to
Pry it.
pry it out.
Yeah, go on, I'm resting, I've got it. Go get a pry bar.
And then last thing to do is just take the pipe that goes to the slave cylinder off, and then all the bolts around the gearbox.
Have a look in.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that'll do it. Right, and here she comes, boys. There we go. What do you reckon, out in one?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't they? I think it's stuck on the
The dowels.
yeah, let me see if I can come from in front with a bar.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. Yeah, there you go. You need a bit of that. Come on, baby, light my. Ooh. Yeah?
Yeah. I'm bringing it out with my knees.
1 second, I'll come round. Have you got it?
Yeah.
Sure?
Nope. It's just caught on a bracket up there.
Man, that's full of oil and shit in the front.
Yeah. Right, and lift that end up so I can put it between my legs.
Which end? This end?
Yeah, just so I can put it on the floor there. And then lift this up. Or move it. Just. Oh, watch me nuts, mate. Woohoo!
Wow, that's full of oil, bruv.
The gearbox.
Ooh, right, we've got the box out now. And just have a look at all of this gunk. Look at that.
Creamy.
Wow.
Creamy.
Don't even know where to put it. Let's have a look at the clutch. So you can see the flywheel. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it's got a lot of blue spots. A lot of heat has gone into this. And that is too much play. Or backlash, as they call it. You can just see how dirty it is beneath or underneath the flywheel. I think the rear main seal probably okay. I don't think that's leaking. Right, we're gonna have to clean this box up now, get all this gunk out. If anybody has any idea what this is from, or if you've had this before, let me know in the comments, because yeah, it's a bit odd. I think it might be the oil that's been leaking down from the cam cover, but also there's no real signs of one oil spot getting through. Right, I have cleaned up this box the best I can. It's still very dirty, but I mean, this grease is just absolutely caked on, but that'll do. It's cleaned up nicely. We'll clean up the engine block and then we'll get this clutch fitted. This one compared to the other one, that's what a good one looks like. The Pollen filter king has upgraded into transmission jack.
This box is filled.
Let's try and put it in the way it came out. Yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. Not too bad. Oh, I think it's gone. Wait. Hang on.
Got your pads in, yeah?
Yeah. Fine. think? Not lined up?
No, it's not that. It's just, do you remember, because the engine's dropped down on these?
Yeah.
I think last time, you had just to hold it. Let me jack the engine up ever so slightly.
Oh, this is difficult. It's sort of there. Just got it balancing on my knees now. Nearly. More tea, Vicar. It's nearly there. That is the gearbox back in. So just to get this in, had to just put a little pry bar underneath the gearbox just to get it sort of level with the engine. Took a bit of fiddling about and some swear words, but we're back in now. So we've just got to get all these nuts and bolts back in, prop shaft back in, gear linkage back in, bleed it up, and I'll be done. Just like that. It wasn't easy getting it back in and lining up, it really wasn't, but yeah. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Right,
Let's do this. Moment of truth.
clutch is back in, flywheel's in obviously. Start it up, see if it moves. Oh, lovely. Straight into reverse.
She's rolling.
That's a job well done, I think, mate.
Happy days. Oh, that's where this van's gone wrong. It should have a 4-leaf flavour on it.
Right, so that is it for this VW Crafter. Thanks to the Pollen Tech. One day he will get his own YouTube channel.
I'll try.
But yeah, that's it, all done. Hope you've enjoyed the repair process on this. You see the struggle on some of these jobs, but once that box was back in, it all got buttoned back up together, no problem. Yeah, hope you like these little short form videos compared to the weeklies. I'll try and get more in if I've got any in-depth videos, but as usual, comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.